What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Staciewo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this cool cut crease wing eye look. If you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching.
As you can see, I already got my base down because I want to jump right into these eyes. I'm so excited, honey. Okay. So first thing first, we're going to be jumping into the Plouise, and I'm going to be doing the rumor 5 and the rumor 2. Putting the rumor 5 under my eyebrow and putting the rumor 2 on my lid because these eyes has to pop. You figure what I'm saying? Okay. So how is my boos doing today? I hope everybody is doing good. With everything is going on, honey, it has been like this right here is really helping me get through everything. I'm doing this really light because my colors, I wanted to pop all the way in my eyes. So if you say, oh, this highlight is a little light, Stacey, it's okay. The reason why I think also I've been so stressed out about, with everything is because me as a black woman, it's very hurtful to walk into different companies or different stores and know that 9 times out of 10 somebody's going to be looking at you just because you black, and they're already going to prejudge you and say, oh, this person might steal, or this person this, or this person that. It's just something that we deal with every day. And like now, ever since the George Floyd, it just automatically made me feel like this is something that still goes on. It's been going on with the Breonna Taylor, the Trayvon Martin, the Eric Gardner. Every time I hear something, it makes me really sad, but it really made me sad to see that. Right now, I feel like I lost a family member because at the end of the day, we're all family. We are all family. I'm going to put some setting powder just on them edges so I can just make sure I'm blending that in really good. So today, boo, we want to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. And the first thing I'm going to be using is this red. And I'm going to be stamping that red right into my crease. Black history and all about our culture has definitely been a major talk in my home lately. I've been having my daughter read up on our black history. Me and my husband, we even been researching and learning even more things about our culture. And I think us as black people, we should all be informed about where we come from and who we are. We are actually really royal, beautiful people. We are all kings and queens, okay? And if you got kids, you got little princesses and prince, okay? I'm gonna drag this out all the way to like right here. Now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this pink, taking my M506 brush, blending that right up into my crease. So me and my husband was looking at this lady. Her name is Jane Elliott. You definitely need to look her up. She played this game the day after Martin Luther King died. She played this game with her children in her classroom, and it was basically the blue-eyed kids had to be on one end. The blue-eyed kids were the kids that, wasn't going to get discriminated against. Then the brown-eyed kids were the ones that was going to be discriminated. It was so crazy. She basically seen like really good kids turn into like monsters. She played the game again with adults. She allowed the blue-eyed people to be the ones that was being discriminated against, and the brown-eyed people to be the ones that were basically so-called, white people that discriminate against us. When I tell you they had so many excuses, it was just a mess. This one lady got so mad and walked out. This other person was a white person, but he had brown eyes, got mad that the blue-eyed person was getting discriminated against because he was white. It was crazy. And then she will kick you right out if you didn't do it. You definitely need to check that out. Just to blend that pink into my skin, I'm going to go in with this lighter pink, blend it really nicely and up into the skin. You know what I'm saying? Now I want to really darken up this crease since we have that blended out really good. I want to jump into this dark purple right here, and I'm gonna just take a little bit of that and just blending it right in the crease. But it's something that I feel everyone should definitely look at. I feel like all race should look at it, because the exercise definitely shows you how people that are very oblivious to it, they know it, but they're very oblivious, how, you know, they understand more, you know. I really think that we all should be really informed about our history, where we come from. Be informed about who you are. So now I'm gonna jump right back into that Morphe 506 and just blend that in. What you think? I'm doing good, right? I'm doing good, yes.
Watch out now.
All right. So now we're going to be jumping into the Plouise, the blank canvas. So we're going to cut this crease. Hold your breath. Nervous, but we can do this. I think we need a prayer before I do this. Creases is really, really hard. Blending, I'm doing good. But the crease, because we do not want to mess up what we just did. Okay? Whew! I did it, y'all. All right, gotta keep your eye on the prize. All right, let me blend this shit out. I'm really feeling the cut crease. It looks really good. So now we're going to be jumping into this blue liquid liner from Fenty, and this is in the color Hot Tub Club. And I'm just going to take this and line my eye. Now y'all know I got to be quiet again. My kids supposed to be taking a nap. Honey, they is in there having a party. Shit is hard. My hand's shaking. Whew. Now that was a lot, okay? But we did it. We got it through. I'm gonna be jumping into this lighter pink and just lay that over top. So now we're going to take some of this Diamond Gold Balm. This is actually from Limecrime. We're going to just take this and put this right over top of that pink. It's like really pretty. Ooh, baby, I like it like that. I really like that. I think that looks so pretty. So we're going to just let that dry down just a little bit and just dust that off my nose. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping right back into that. I want to make sure you guys can get into what I'm about to do. And just line the inner part of my eye as well with the blue. Ooh, watch out now. So now we're going to be jumping into this blue ColourPop eyeliner, and this is in the color Prance. Take this purple and just put that right under my eye, just like that. And just tab a little bit of that pink and put that right underneath. For inner corner, honey, I don't know what to do. I'm thinking about just jumping into this nice pink right here, since we're doing all like really like pink. I think that looks pretty. What do you think? So for lashes, we're going to be doing the Lilly Lashes, the New York Lilly Lashes. So before we jump on those lashes, I'm going to be jumping into my Ala mascara. Pulling these lashes up. I'm going to jump on this other eye. Then we're going to jump into bronze and lip and highlight too. All right, so now the eyes are done. We can jump right back into face. I'm going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy, and just getting all this together, you know, just warming up the face just a little bit. I'm so happy about my eyes. Like, I really am proud of myself about the way I did these eyes, honey. Like, seriously. We're going to be jumping into the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Bell, and then right here, woo, look, that's a lot. If you don't know about Danessa Myricks, make sure you look her up. She is really the queen of skin. So now, since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into the Danessa Myricks Wet Dew and just dab into it. I love this like dewy kind of like look. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, it looks so amazing. Look how that just goes right into your skin, y'all. I forgot to tell you guys, but off camera, I took a little bit of that illuminating veil, highlighted my brow bone with that. So for lip, I'm going to be doing the LA Color lip liner in the color brown. We're going to be jumping into the Kaor lip. I forgot what this lip is called. I done had this Kaor for so long. I don't even know what this is called. And I think it looks like it says nudity. So I think that's what it's called. Just rub it right on there. Alright, so now since I have that base on, because I just wanted to use that for a base, we're going to be jumping into the Danessa Myricks Color Fix, and this is in the color Romance. I really like this because you can use this on your eyes, you can use this on your face, your lips, so I'm definitely going to try this over my lips. That is really cute. So now I'm just going to take a clear gloss and just put that right over top.
So my boo, this is it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a comment down below and also hit that like button. Also my boo, I'm going to be posting 3 times a week. That is the goal, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell button. But with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Peace.